what's your stand to term insurance versus the VULs and life insurance?
Both products are good. It really depends anong product ang mas bagay sa client. If you know how to invest directly, like stock market, real estate, REITs, crypto, alam mo paano palaguin yung pera mo na ikaw lang, then BTID is better. Ibig sabihin ng BTID, buy term, invest the difference. Because it's cheaper, kasi nga, yung kinuha mo lang is the insurance part. The life and health insurance part lang. Hindi mo binabayaran yung fund management. Meron din namang iba kasi na hindi talaga nila nagigets yung investment. Or they understand the basic concept of it but they don't have the time, they don't have the analytical skills to invest on their own. And probably, if they invest on their own, baka malugi pa sila because they get to join like scams. Doon papasok ang VUL na product. It's quite expensive because you're paying for fees, you're paying for commissions doon sa insurance provider at saka yung insurance agent. But if you have a longer mindset, like at least a decade, at least 10 years, you will start to see the impact of your investments. Kasi nga, the law of compounding will work for you na. So yun siya. Both products are good, depende na lang sa tao.